guys, I hope everyone is okay. Sana nasa maganda kayong kalagayan at nanonood sa aking video. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nakasubaybay sa aking video ng 3 weeks na aking 3 weeks na road trip sa 7 countries at naka-episode 1 to 12 ako. Sana na subaybayan nyo yung aking travel vlog. At ngayon, pauwi na kami. Ito na yung aming last days dito sa kalsada. Ayan, last days. At I hope you enjoy. Ciao, ciao! So wala guys, we are now in Slovenia highway. We're just passing through. We're not stopping, and then we continue up Slovenia and then Italy. So tuloy-tuloy na, and then we're going to stop over to sleep for one night and near the border of between Italy and France. That's only overnight. Then we continue driving to France. But while in France, we're going to stop again in a small village. So guys, thank you for watching my 3 weeks road trip. My 3 weeks every city we stop. And now this is the end of our road trip. The last days of our road trip, we are now entering France, and then we're going to stop again to sleep over in a small village in Aubrac, Aveyron. So guys, hindi na ako mag-video doon sa small village dahil ano lang naman yun sleep over, and the next day mayroon silang fiesta sa mga baka. Magpaparade ang mga baka na may mga bulaklak yung sungay. Pero interesting, kaya lang siyempre hindi naman malaking issue sa video yung kanilang pagparade ng kanilang mga baka. So guys, thank you so much. Appreciate much sa inyong panunood ng aking video. Ciao, ciao! Ayan guys, ang mountain meron pang mga snow sa taas at matutunaw na yan at malapit na ang summer. Ayan. So ayan guys, I hope you enjoy sa road natin. Ang mountain ay puno ng snow at saka clouds. Wala guys, andito na kami sa highway ng Italy. Malapit na kami sa border ng France. Kaya ayan, enjoy at papunta na kami doon sa village sa Aubrac. Andito na kami, hahanap na namin yung aming pupuntahan na village at yung hotel. Ayan. Sana na subaybayan nyo yung aking episode ng travel from Italy Albania, and then Bosnia, Herzegovina, and then in San Marino. After San Marino, we went to Bosnia, Herzegovina, and then Montenegro and Croatia. At maraming mga city ang aming pinupuntahan. So, marami akong episode from episode 1 to episode 12. At sana na subaybayan nyo yung aking travel sa iba't ibang country. And 3 weeks road trip, tsaka 7 countries yan. Enjoy, guys! Wala, guys, dumating na tayo sa Rock and Chapel of St. Michel, Dagelie. The town of Dagelie is characterized by a rock, former volcanic chimney, on which stands a surprising and magnificent chapel dedicated to St. Michel. Wala, guys, yung istorya dito sa Lupui-en-Velay. Ayan, noong prehistoric dolmen, dedicated pa yan ng Mercury by the Romans. Binuilt nila on the volcanic plug before. So ayan, guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo sa istorya nitong 12th century. Hanggang dito na lamang. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. Ciao, ciao!